This is the Sahara as we know it today, a vast ocean of sand where temperatures soar and rainfall is vanishingly small. But buried here are fossils that tell a very different story, pieces of an aquatic past preserved in stone. But imagine these dunes transforming, becoming grasslands, lakes, rivers. Hippos swam where camels now tread. Between 14,500 and 5,000 years ago, the African Humid Period reshaped this landscape. Earth's orbital wobble amplified the monsoon, bringing rain and rivers northward. Scientists found whale remains in now arid regions, evidence that seas and lakes once filled these basins. Rock art shows people swimming and fishing where sand now rules. Radar and satellite imagery reveal river systems hidden under the dunes. In 2025, researchers revealed an enormous lake in Arabia's empty quarter, over 1,100 square kilometers and up to 42 meters deep. When it breached its bounds, it carved a 150-kilometer valley through the sands. Rivers and lakes supported diverse ecosystems, and human communities that lived by the water. Life thrived where water remained. Recent discoveries are rewriting the map of human and environmental history in North Africa. This is the story of the Green Sahara, and how its aquatic past shaped our world. At Takar Kori in southwestern Libya, people settled by water about 7,000 years ago. Archaeologists found artifacts showing a settled, resourceful life. DNA from Takar Kori reveals an ancient North African lineage isolated for millennia. This lineage diverged around the time early humans moved beyond Africa. Further south, Gobero preserves 5,000 years of occupation, two distinct cultures across time. The Kiffians, tall fisher hunters, later the Tenerians, pastoralists, different lifeways born from shifting climates. As the climate dried, societies adapted. The Garamantes engineered fogaras, tapping ancient aquifers. These subterranean canals supported agriculture and urban life in an arid landscape. People migrated, adapted diets and technologies, and reconfigured social life around water availability. Burials and settlements tell a story of resilience and change. Archaeological sequences show human presence ebbing and flowing with water availability. Dating techniques anchor the timelines we reconstruct. Throughout the Green Sahara, water defined daily life, diet, settlement, and culture. And these past adaptations inform how communities manage scarce water today. To understand the full story, we travel farther back, into deep time and the very seas that once covered Africa. The Sahara's aquatic past goes far beyond human memory. Between 50 and 100 million years ago, a shallow saltwater body, the Trans-Saharan Seaway, bisected the land. This was long before humans, a landscape of seas and evolving shorelines. The seaway supported enormous sea snakes and giant fishes. Predators and giant fishes that challenge our sense of scale populated these waters. Changing seaway geography created isolated water islands, conditions that can drive species gigantism. Orbital precession, a 21,000-year wobble, modulated monsoons, switching the region between wet and dry phases. During ice ages, massive ice sheets suppressed monsoons, and the Sahara reverted to aridity. Today, satellites and radar let us peer beneath sand to map hidden river networks. In the Tibesti, cores show crater lakes that held water for millennia, sustained by Mediterranean moisture, not solely the monsoon. Geologists estimate rainfall intensity from transported pebbles. During humid phases, rainstorms were 3 to 4 times stronger than today. Multiple dating and geochemical lines converge to reconstruct these ancient climates. Together, remote sensing, fieldwork, genetics and modeling reveal a complex aquatic history. These discoveries are not just ancient curiosities, they carry lessons for our changing world. Ancient peoples engineered responses to drying, underground irrigation, seasonal migration, strategies of adaptation and resilience. Innovation bridged scarcity for many communities, but scientists caution, our current warming has no direct precedent. It is global in scale and speed. Past changes were often hemisphere-limited, today's warming is worldwide, and faster. Climate shifts force migration and adaptation, real human consequences we already see today. The past does not promise answers, but it confirms the reality of climate-driven change. Climate models help us explore future scenarios, but they show uncertainty and urgency. Learning from the Green Sahara requires science, stewardship, and community knowledge. Our choices will determine which path unfolds. The Sahara's secrets teach us our planet is dynamic beyond imagination. Deserts become gardens and gardens deserts. Humanity has always been shaped by water and its absence. Join us next time as we continue to explore the profound connections between our planet and its people. The past may not predict the future, but it lights the path forward.